Welcome back, kids. Welcome back to the Happy Learnings. This is your maths teacher saying hello to all of you. Are you ready for the next class? Shall we begin? Okay, so let's get started. Our topic for today's lesson is Unit 7, Addition and Subtraction. In this lesson, we will be needing a number square table, which we always use in the class. If you don't have at home, you can refer the 100 square table from the document. So kids, here as we can see, there are few number cards. There is 8, 2, 7, 19, 13, 4 and 17. What we have to do is, we have to make 15 using any two cards from these number cards. Okay, so shall we read the question? Cool. Which pair of numbers when added or subtracted make 15? Here we can make almost 4 pair to make 15. So let's see how it is done. I am making 15 by adding 8 plus 7. Another way, I am making 15 by subtracting 4 from 19. 13 plus 2 is also 15. And 17 minus 2 is also, again, 15. So this is the fun in maths. You can use different pairs of number and still arrive to the same answer. Here we used almost 4 pairs and yet our answer is 15. Isn't it great? I hope you liked it. Let's do some more research on it. You can add different pairs of number to make the same number. Here, for your example, I have given you 6 plus 6 is 12. 10 plus 2 is also 12. 4 plus 8 is also 12. 7 plus 5 is again 12. I am taking different pairs of number and yet my answer is 12. Sounds good, right? Yeah. So, in the subtraction, we will be using the same example that we used in addition. I took my answer here because that is the biggest number. 12 minus 6 is 6. See kids, we have used all these numbers in the subtraction example. 12 minus 2 is 10. 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 minus 5 is 7. So you got it? We are using the same example that we used in addition and we are doing a subtraction. Hope you understood. Just to brush up, we will be doing some small exercise. That is your task 1 and task 2 today. This is your notebook work. Read the questions very carefully and do it in the notebook. The task 1. The first task you will be doing by using the addition plus sign. You have to write two pairs of number that makes 18. Like we did, we made 12 by using 4 pairs. We took 6 plus 6, 12, 10 plus 2, 12, 4 plus 8, 12, 7 plus 5, 12. In this case, you have to make 18 by using just 2 pair of number. Okay? Give me 2 pairs of number. For example, 9 plus 9 is 18. So can you do this? You have to give me A and B. Two example how you will make 18 by using different pairs of number. I know you can do this. This is very simple. On the next task, task 2. Now use the same numbers in these subtractions. Example, you remember what we did in the previous slide? We took all the additions example in the subtraction. The addition example was 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. What we did in subtraction? We took 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Likewise, here I took 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. This example is from where I took it? It's from the addition example. Here you will be taking your example A and example B from the addition and use the same number and do the subtraction. This is really simple. Try it out. Very well done, kids. You're doing a good job. So with this, now let us move ahead to the next step. Are you ready? Yes? So let's get started. For the next step, you should refer to this 100 square table now. See here. Can you count in tens to find what has been added to 14 to make 64? To make it simpler for you, we are on 14 here. We have to count in tens and reach to 64. So to reach to 64, how many tens we'll have to add? Let's count. 14 to 24, that's 1 10. 24 to 34, 2. 34 to 44, 3. 44 to 54, 4. And 54 to 64. Yeah, you are right. We have to add 5 tens to reach to 64. Now this is your task 3. Learn and read it loud. To add multiples of 10 to a number, count on in tens. I repeat, to add multiples of 10 to a number, count on in tens. Whenever you are adding any number, you have to always count on. Okay, here on 61. We are here on 61. We will be counting on. From 61 to 71, that's 110, 210, 310. So 61 plus 30, adding 3 tens to 61 will give us 91. Here we are on 91. Whenever you are adding, always count on. On the opposite of that, to subtract a multiple of 10 from a number, count back in tens. I repeat, to subtract a multiple of 10 from a number, count back in tens. Here in the example, we are on 84. From 84, we have to count back how many tens? 2 tens. We will go back from 84 to 74 and then from 74 to 64. We are counting back 2 tens and the answer is 64. Learn to count on. We will use in addition. Counting back we will be using in subtraction. Now we will be doing task 4, 5 and 6. This is a notebook work. Read the questions carefully and do it in the notebook. Task 4. Task 4 says, the first one is 20 more than 72. 20 more than 72. I will go on 72. Find where is 72. Yes, 72 is here. When I say more than, it's always addition. When it is addition, we will always count on. Correct. We will always count on. From 72 to 20 more. So, 2 tens. 20 is how many tens? 2 tens. So, 110 and from 82 to 92 is the 210. So, what is the answer? 92 is the answer here. Okay? I will solve one more example here. When I say 30 less than 95. Whenever there is a less than, always use subtraction. I will go on 95. When there is a subtraction, I will count back. 30 is 3 tens. So 95 to 85, 110. 85 to 75, 210. 75 to 65, 310. So I am counting back 3 tens from 95, which gives me the number 65. So here my answer is 65. I want you guys to solve the remaining 4 problems. Just use the same method that I've used and try to solve. Task 5. Use 100 square table to solve these problems. You can refer the 100 square table available in the document. The first example, 23 plus 40. In the 100 square table, go on 23. Whenever it is addition, you will count on. 40 makes 4 tenths. From 23, you will count on 4 tenths. Can you count? Go on 23. Count on 4 tenths from 23. Yeah, the answer is 63. You are right. The answer is 63. The next one, B. 44 minus 40. You will go on your 100 square table, go on 44. From 44, I have to subtract 40. Whenever it is a subtraction, I will count back. From 44, I am counting back 4 tenths. Can you tell me the answer? Correct. Write the answer in your notebook. Similarly, whenever there is a subtraction, you will always count back. And whenever there is an addition, you will always count on. Okay? Now we are on task 6. Use your 100 square to solve these problems. The first question is, what multiples of 10 would you use to add 43 to get 63? I repeat, what multiples of 10 would you add to 43 to get 63? Go on your 100 square table, go to 43. Whenever it is an addition, you will count on. From 43, you have to count on in tens until you get to the number 63. Okay? So count on in tens. Go to 43. Count till you reach to 63. You are right. You will have to count on 2 tenths. The next question, question B, is what multiple of 10 would you add to 37 to get 77? Again, it is a saying add. So you will count on. Go to 37 in your 100 square table. Count on until you get 77. Now this one, I want you to do it. Number C. What multiple of 10 would you subtract from 76 to get 46? Now in this question, it is saying subtract. Whenever it is subtract, I will go back. That is counting back. Okay, so go to 76 and count back. Count back till you get to the number 46. Okay kids, try to do it. I know you can solve all these problems. These are very simple and easy ones. Thank you for your attention, kids. This is your maths teacher saying thanks to all of you for paying attention, and stay healthy, stay at home. I'm saying bye this time. See you soon with another lesson. Bye, kids. Take care.